Hello everyone from beautiful North Cyprus. We're located just in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea at our beautiful project Terraca View, and we're going to have our beach walk. Let's go! And as usual, few words about the project. Terraca View is just in the right side of me. In front we have Mediterranean Sea, and just behind me we have beautiful, fantastic mountain view. The elevation is huge of this land, and it promises the best view from each apartment. And this is what I meant by an elevation of the land. We are in the first floor of 1+1 apartment. We're in the living room, and just look the view you're getting. One more level up we have beautiful bedroom with fantastic views as well, and one more level up we have rooftop terrace. The area is very calm, it has a lot of private villas, and by the way, the nature is also fantastic here as everywhere in North Cyprus. We have a lot of green areas and beautiful pines, and this is where we're going to go. This is our way to the beach. The road from Terraca is enjoyable and very nice. We have 200 meters more to walk down to the beach. Let's see how is it. Hey, just look at these trees. It's very interesting. It's maybe 300 years old, but look at the angle they're standing. Probably it's because of the wind going from the sea. It's very interesting. And finally we're getting closer to the beach, and just look at this. We have a perfect spot here for having a picnic with your family, and a lot of roads for walk with your dog. Don't you think that this looks like a head of alligator or dinosaur? We have lots of beaches at this coastline, from pebble ones to sandy beaches, and this beach is the closest to Terraca View. Also here we have the luxurious and the best restaurant of a Saint-Tropez area, and very soon the boat marina is coming to the area as well. You see these sunbeds? It means that summer season is coming soon. And now we're going to have beautiful lunch in this restaurant. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in next episode. Bye bye!